For the past 6 months, News 8 investigations have revealed hundreds of millions of dollars of questionable Medicaid spending on braces for children in Texas. Now, federal investigators are auditing the state agency that controls that money. Byron Harris has more as News 8 investigates.
The man in the pickup truck may be the busiest person in Austin. Last year, case by case, Dr. Jerry Felkner personally approved 18,898 kids under 12 to get braces in Texas, paid for by you. We've been trying to talk to Felkner for weeks. He's the dental director for ACS Texas Medicaid Health Partners. That's a company that's supposed to monitor taxpayer-financed dental claims under Medicaid. The numbers have ballooned to a total of $424 million over the last 3 years. Under ACS oversight, Texas now spends as much on braces for poor kids as the other 49 states combined. And Texas Medicaid orthodontists are some of the wealthiest in the country. Medicaid orthodontics are controversial. The American Association of Orthodontists says scarce Medicaid money should only be spent on cases of severe deformities, craniofacial problems, and cleft palates.
Does it trouble you that people might be fraudulently obtaining orthodontic cosmetic care under Medicaid?
Well, if they are, it infuriates me.
Billy Milwee is Associate Commissioner for Health and Human Services in Austin. He's charged with keeping an eye on ACS TMHP. He supervises the man in the pickup and his 18,898 cases.
Do you think it's physically possible for him to have reviewed 19,000
I don't know.
cases?
I don't know, and here's why. There are also consulting dentists that are used by TMHP besides Dr. Felkner. So,
well, I just ask you, though.
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know who works for them, and you don't know who they are.
And you
don't know what they do.
You're jumping to a conclusion.
Well, tell me what they do, and tell me who they are.
Yes, I know who they are and what they do and what their tasks are.
Okay, who are they?
Dr. Felkner is the dental director.
I understand.
They employ various dental consultants. They also
who are
have
those
staff.
people?
I don't know the name of the dental consultants.
And how often do they work?
I don't know that. They are contracted people who come in when they're needed.
News 8 asked to see and film the ACS facilities in Austin months ago to find out how the system works. Access was impossible, the state said, to protect the identities of Medicaid patients. Now, a federal inspector general wants answers to the same questions News 8 asked. In this letter, the Health and Human Services Inspector General says it wants to examine how the state authorizes which kids get braces to make sure only medically necessary orthodontic cases are paid for, as state regulations require. For somebody who's infuriated, you don't seem to know very much about this.
I think I know quite a bit about this.
Well, you've just told me
I'm insulted that you just said that.
Billy Milwee says the state has a plan in place that will, in essence, change the way orthodontists are paid. That won't happen until next spring.
I can't turn back the hands of time. I do not have a time machine, but I can go back and show the taxpayers, if they did not get value for their tax dollars, how we get those dollars back.
That will take lawsuits, questions, and answers. If Dr. Jerry Felkner knows, he isn't telling us.
How are you? I'm on my way out of town. Thank you.
Well, can I talk to you for just a second?
Wait a minute.
Byron Harris, Channel 8 News.